Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will share with you the top 10 genuine ways to earn money fast in 2022. Number 1. Freelancing. Whether you have skills in graphic design, writing, coding, or social media management, freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can connect you with clients looking for your expertise. Number 2. Online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinions. Sign up for reputable survey websites and start earning cash or gift cards by taking surveys in your spare time. Number 3. E-commerce. With platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Amazon, you can easily set up your own online store and start selling products. Find a niche that interests you and watch your sales grow. Number 4. Rent out your extra space. If you have a spare room, parking spot, or even a storage space, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or Neighbor. It's a simple way to earn passive income. Number 5. Become a virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners need help with administrative tasks. Offer your services remotely and help them manage their schedules, emails, and more. Number 6. Teach online. If you're knowledgeable in a specific subject, why not share your expertise? Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell online courses to eager learners. Number 7. Become a social media influencer. If you can build a strong following on platforms like Instagram or TikTok, you can partner with brands and get paid for sponsored posts and endorsements. Number 8. Participate in affiliate marketing. Recommend products or services you love and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation. Number 9. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Share your passions, knowledge, or experiences and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or even selling your own products. Number 10. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrencies. While this option carries risks, it has the potential for significant returns. Do thorough research and consider consulting a financial advisor before diving in. We hope these top 10 genuine ways to earn money fast in 2022 have inspired you to take action. Thanks for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.